Enough with the polite lies. Recruiters are feeling the heat, and it's not coming from a new hiring trend or bigger budgets. It's coming from chatbots and AI tools moving faster than anyone expected. And if this doesn't scare the hell out of you, you're not paying attention. You know that feeling when you're drowning in CVs, endless interviews, ghosted candidates, and zero guarantees that the person you picked won't quit in a month. That frustration? It's real. And now, the tech that promised to help is quietly replacing parts of your job faster than you can say, candidate pipeline. This isn't just about automation doing routine tasks anymore. AI is learning your judgment, your patterns, your gut feeling. It's stepping into the seats recruiters sat in for decades. So what now? Panicking and yelling that humans will always be better isn't an option anymore. You have to outthink this. You have to out-hustle, out-adapt, out-learn. Here's the brutal truth. If you keep doing recruitment the old way, you're going to lose. Lose your edge, lose your relevance, lose your clients, your deals, your reputation. Now is the time to flip the script. First, stop pretending that AI tools are your enemy. They're not. They're the new baseline. If you don't harness the tech's data power, you're blind in a combat zone. Use chatbots and AI to handle the noise, the CV screening, the scheduling, the first round of candidate triage. Get that out of your plate yesterday. But then, and this is critical, focus everything you've got on what machines can't touch. Real human connection. Deep conversations that reveal motivation, culture fit, ambition. Trust building that no algorithm can fake. Become the recruiter who's not just filtering candidates, but who understands the core of their dreams, fears, and what makes them tick. That's your unfair advantage. No chatbot can build that trust. No script can replace real empathy. Next, pivot from just filling seats to building pipelines of people who want to grow with your company. Develop relationships long before you need to hire. That means heavy research on who fits your vision, personal outreach that's bold, direct, and human, not robotic templates. For founders and investors watching this, recruiting can't be passive anymore. You must invest in talent relationships the same way you invest in startups. It's a long game, but the payoff is shockingly high. Don't just rely on AI to churn resumes. Cultivate a network that's so strong, so exclusive, candidates want you before they want anyone else. Also, don't ignore hiring manager education. This is a blind spot that kills deals daily. Teach your teams how to interview smarter, how to think critically about resumes and AI reports, how to co-own the recruiting process. Your managers should not be just signing off. They must be hunting, evaluating, pushing back. Recruiters who treat hiring managers like checkboxes are dead. Elevate the whole team's recruitment IQ or get left behind. One more thing, get ruthless with your data, but not the shallow stuff. Real data means measuring quality of hire, turnover rates, candidate experience, and referral sources. Track everything and constantly optimize. AI can spit out metrics, but you have to interpret them. Act like a scientist experimenting with your own talent ecosystem. Many give up here because it's exhausting. Don't you dare. This is where you separate the winners from the wannabes. Finally, it's time to change your mindset. Stop viewing AI and chatbots as a threat and start seeing them as relentless competitors pushing you to be smarter, faster, sharper. If you cling to pride or fear, you'll be the first casualty. If you adapt, by blending technology and raw human insight, you step into a new era where recruiters don't disappear. They reign, but only if they evolve. So get uncomfortable, get relentless, get intentional. The future doesn't wait for sympathy. It rewards action. This isn't about being the loudest voice in the room. It's about being the smartest, most resourceful operator who uses every tool and muscle to build something no machine can replicate. A real human network that delivers value no algorithm ever will. So stop whining, stop fearing, step up. Because whether you like it or not, the race is on, and only the adaptable survive. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.